Hi, in this video, I'll show you how I made this painting from start to finish. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Victor Mondi. Welcome to my studio. If you're new here and you love art, please consider subscribing. As always, we'll paint on canvas using oils, so we'll start by stretching the canvas onto a frame. I'll make this step quick. If you want me to walk you through the full process, please follow the link on your screen. Once done, we cover it with a coat of emulsion paint to make the canvas less absorbent. A process called priming. I've explained it better on the video linked on your screen. Because oil paints are semi-transparent, I covered the entire canvas with a layer of oil paint. That way, we don't need to worry about any bits of white canvas still showing in some places. I prefer toning with a darker color so that when I sketch using a piece of chalk, the lines will be visible. I chose this photo because I love this great club and I'm a fan of these two forwards. In terms of portraiture, it has great shadows and highlights. For Manny's skin tone, which is kinda like mine, I used burnt umber, raw umber, cobalt blue, and titanium white. For Salah's skin tone, I used titanium white, raw umber, cobalt blue, burnt umber, yellow ochre, and cadmium red. Notice that raw umber and cobalt blue are in both palettes. That is because I mixed them up to get black. The downside of this black is that it's lighter, but it blends better compared to the one that's straight from the tube. I premix my colors. I reduce them broadly to 3-tone masses: the lights, the halftones, and shadows. I work with the larger brushes for the larger areas. then swap to the smaller brushes for the details. It is really important to give your eyes a break. Go and do something, come back and make tweaks and adjustments. So never be afraid of making any mistakes.
Usidanganywa. This stuff ni muhimu, very important.
At this stage of the painting, we are going to redefine some of the edges. Painting is a process of constant refinement, and our fresh eyes are often our best judge. I often step back from the painting, squint my eyes and flick between the reference photo and the painting. We then paint the fog by glazing. Glazing is simply altering the color or tone of an underpainting by applying a thin translucent layer of paint. We start finalizing by painting the blackest black using this black to increase the contrast. When you decide that your painting is complete, take some time to review your efforts, identify your successes and shortcomings so that you can apply that experience to your next painting. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.